Hello everybody, so as you guys can see, these hair dryers. So I've got my new hair dryer, and it's a powerful hair dryer. So it's got the cool setting, the cool, a little bit cool setting, first temperature setting, and a second temperature setting, so it gives you extra hot setting. So I've got this, my mum's hairdryer. It's very big. It is light, and it's lighter. And this one is heavier, so you gotta hold it really strong. So it goes in my hair like that. Okay, so first, if you put it onto heat setting, so it's got the cool and the hot setting. So if you let it out, goes to, so if you turn it on to that, then it gives you more diagrams in your new hairdryer. But I had it 4 years ago and it's still working. 6 years ago at least. So it's if you hold it really tight, then you just put it down your hair and then it goes to your hair, and then it goes strongly to my hair, and then it sounds like that. So we've got this. So this is the cool setting. So let's put it on to the first heat setting. So it gives you something so it can dry your hair as fast as you can. So if you turn it on to this setting, it gives you extra hot. See? It's a really powerful hair dryer. See? So this is lightweight. And now time for this bad boy hairdryer out. So okay, so it's a really heavy hairdryer, so it's a big hairdryer. It's a big hairdryer. And this is a big one. It's a little bit big. And this has got the glossy. And this has a nozzle in the hairdryer. So it's got a plug where you can fit in. and it goes so it can wet my head. Because I've got a long arm, so it goes really. So if you turn it on to okay. So let's turn it on to and you gotta really hold it tightly, so let's switch it on. And it's got a short cable, really short cable. And let's turn it and see how it performs well. Okay, so it's plugged in, and now I've plugged it in. So let's turn it on to first setting. It's okay. So you have to put it on to tresemme. It's okay, and this is perfect for the temperature setting. It's the first setting. Yeah, so its temperature is the first hot setting. Now we can put it on to second setting. Oh, this is extra hot. If I put it, this is really, really hot. If you put it on to cold setting, powerful. I let it go back to speed number 1. Now the maximum speed. It's a very powerful hairdryer. Wow, this hairdryer is really good, so you have to hold it really, really hard because it's really heavy, and it's so heavy, so but the rest of this hairdryer is really good. I love it. So, and that's my brand new hairdryer that I like. So it's got a cool setting. So the rest of his hairdryer is really nice, so I like it. So you're not going to see the fingerprints out here. So it's really good. I love it. It's the best hairdryer ever. And I kept it. So, and if you take this off, then it's got a filter top in, so it's got and this is a microphone protector. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. See you soon. Bye.